Hello everyone, welcome. In this, we are going to learn about how to execute the momentum program. So this is the sample momentum program workflow where I have only single mentee added here. So let us see that how the mentee is getting the work and how he is exactly and precisely solving it on the regular basis. He is getting consistency, a pressure from his mentor so that he is even faster than ever, and that is why he is able to save the time for GS. So we all know that in UPSC we are required to become an average person and not an expert in any subject so that we could cover all the syllabus in a definite proportion. So here we can see that we have mechanics to-do list added, and the first list is introduction to mechanics, mathematical, preliminaries, then momentum, energy. So if you understand the syllabus, these three are very big part, and I'm very amazed by seeing the speed of the person. He has solved momentum and energy so well that I cannot believe that he did it himself. Okay, that is the power of pressure, I think. Then he had to solve the questions of rocket motion. Now we all know that in previous year there had been 10 to 12 rocket motion questions. Okay, so what will we now do? First, from momentum, we know that rocket of motion is actually dependent on the second law of motion, and it is also dependent on momentum part. So there are two solved questions. So when you will tap for the question, a question will open for you. You will solve it, and you will learn from solving it by seeing the solution. Okay. Now, in the next, you will be given to solve the example of some definite book. So we have A.B. Gupta book. The person had A.B. Gupta book, so had not posted any question in the form of scanning or taking the picture. But when the people will do not have any particular book, they will be given the scanned pages, although it is recommended to buy hard copy. Then the next task was to solve PYQ. So he also did that. He was pretty fast. So then I sent him the more questions. Here we have three questions which he have not solved it totally yet. So question one is on the second law of motion. Two and third are from rocket motion. So he actually solved second and third, and he asked help for question one. So you can see that there is a comment option in the upper right corner. So when you tap on the comment, you will see that he replied not able to solve question number one 12 hours ago from now, and I replied him in around 11 hours ago, so I was able to solve this question for him within 1 hour. So check solution. So when you open, so I have solved it as per Newton's second law. We applied Newton's second law, then we integrated whatever the mathematics is required, and then in the second page you can see the complete solution. And the innovation is that you will know that what to remember and what to understand. So whatever the memorization part will be there, we have color coding of red color. So red color you have to memorize it. Okay, so this is the way. Now I got okay, he has sufficiently worked for the mechanics. So let us move to the quantum mechanics. So now he has workflow for quantum mechanics. So in quantum mechanics, he has to read chapter 2 and 3 one ago because they both are of the wave particle duality. The first one is particle properties of wave, and the second one is wave properties of particle. So here you will be also given you have to complete within 2 days. You may take 3 days, but I will give you slightly less time to put more pressure on you. And you will also receive the PDF in the same block. So you need not to even go and search book. Just tap here, chapter 2 and chapter 3 modern physics PDF of 1526.3 KB, and it will be open in just after downloading, and now you can study from here. You solve the all examples, and then I will be checking a tab on you. So right now in the upper right corner we have a comment page. So on the comment page there are a few comments open which I have closed, which I will close if I want. Okay, so as I sent him the solution, so I can close it. So the comment is now resolved, so I can resolve the comment, check mark it, so it will disappear from here. So this will give you very precise experience. But before this, let us see on the resolved section. So in the result section, look, now open comment actually got transferred to result section. And here you can see that the uh, person is really asking many his doubt, like he is asking which book I have, Quantum Physics by H.C. Verma. So I have replied, look what, you have a book there in PDF, although the name of book is Modern Physics by Arthur Beecher. He replied, okay. I replied with more information, and Or I also tell that I will tell you when to use the HC Verma 2. These two chapters are best in modern physics only. Okay. So he is following things and he is doing it really very fast. I'm very like amazed by his performance. Also, you can see that one day ago, please send the detailed handwritten diary report for momentum chapter, including what examples you solved. And look how the person is motivated. He really write all his diary report daily, and he sent me the picture. So in this way, I will be knowing that okay, you are really working hard. So that is how this thing is working. Okay, and this is how we are also using the Notion platform to make a very precise and accurate workflow. Okay.